Hello, everybody. Today we'll be showing how to install Shotcut, a free open-source video editor. First of all, just Google search, get Shotcut.
And then click on the link that leads to shotcut.org.
Go to Download in the menu bar next to News and Features.
If you click on the tempting advertisement, that may lead you to a different website.
Sweetheart, it's advertisement, not advertisement.
Should we go to Site 1 or Site 2 for the download?
Let's go to Site 2, because we know most people would go for Site 1, right?
Right on.
Click on Save File to begin the download.
The download should take about 14 seconds. When download is complete, click on the exe file.
You might get a warning from Windows when attempting to install. There will be a license agreement for you to agree with.
You can go with the default folder, Program Files, or you can pick your own. When you're ready, click on Install.
Hooray, installation is complete.
Find Shotcut using the Start menu or just Windows search Shotcut.
This is what Shotcut will look like when you install it for the first time.
Thank you very much, everyone, for watching. We hope you got something out of this video and had fun. We wish you the best with your YouTube channel.